Hey folks, I'm gonna do a quick review and demo of this Perma Child 3 Flexi locks, which look like that. So it's a heart-shaped thing which you can use, like I'm guessing, on one of these. My boy's been opening all kinds of doors, and you press 3 buttons to release. That's what it looks like. Press these two and that one to release, and then these things come out. Pretty straightforward. In, in. So if you use quite a bit of force, it looks like it gets loosened. But my boy is not that strong, so hopefully that works. So press that, press those two, and then you can release. And that's it for this lock. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support my channel. Thank you.